Hi guys, today I've got these pumpkin cream cheese cookie dough bites. These are already pre-cut, but we're gonna cut them into quarters. Makes 48. So I've got one set here, another set. So I can do 48 out of just one little packet of those cookie dough bites. 1, 2, 3. And this goes into an oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we're back. Have these 48. I've got another row down here. I'm gonna take like a shot glass and just kind of push down. And then we're going to be setting these aside so they can just cool off while we make our chilled filling. I'm gonna take a can of pumpkin. And you're gonna put a whole can. This is not the pumpkin pie filling. This is just regular pureed pumpkin. They did like a survey, I guess, a couple years ago, and they found that this is the brand that has like the best pumpkin. And then you're going to lighten this up because this is a cold filling. This is like a chilled filling with this. Oh, I love this stuff. This ready-make, no-bake cheesecake filling. I'm just gonna take half of this, a 1-to-1. I'm going to be adding some spices. So I'm gonna start with some pumpkin pie spice, everybody's favorite. And I don't like having this thing on there, so I'm just gonna pour that out. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. And then I like adding just a little bit of extra nutmeg. That's just a personal preference, completely up to you. And I like doing one of these things to get the nutmeg out. And then finally we've got some ginger paste. You can cut up ginger if you want, but I like using the ginger paste for stuff like this because I think it's just really helpful to have something that's already kind of ready to go. Okay, put that in there. And I'm going to mix this all together. And there's no eggs in this, so you can lick the spoon if you want. Be putting all of that into a pastry bag. These cookies have cooled, and they're like tiny little bite-sized ones. They look amazing. And I've got that pumpkin cheesecake filling that we made earlier in a piping bag, and we're just going to put a little on each. Using the piping bag is going to be easier than trying to use a spoon. I'm going to do a little, not pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to use that nutmeg that we used earlier. And that's it. It's so easy to make these pumpkin cheesecake bites. It's a great way to kick off pumpkin pie spice season. I hope you love these.